Welcome to Prestige Style Hub, your ultimate guide to fashion and style. Today we're diving into the world of modeling, exploring how you can channel that runway confidence into your everyday style. Remember, fashion is a personal journey. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of model-like styling. To style like a model, it's crucial to understand the model look. This look hinges on four key elements: simplicity, fit, versatility, and uniqueness. Simplicity is about selecting clean, unfussy designs. Fit means choosing clothes that flatter your body shape. Versatility refers to having items that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. Lastly, uniqueness is about adding your personal touch to stand out. Each element plays a vital role in crafting the perfect model-like style. Remember, the model look is all about making a statement with simplicity and elegance. A model-like style begins with a well-curated wardrobe. It's about selecting versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Think staple pieces like a crisp white shirt, timeless black jeans, a rugged leather jacket, and a pair of classic sneakers. These are the building blocks of your wardrobe, the foundation of your style. Remember, it's not about having a closet full of clothes, it's about investing in quality pieces that will stand the test of time. A well-curated wardrobe is the first step towards achieving a model-like style. Now that you have your wardrobe ready, let's dive into some styling tips. First off, layering is your friend. A simple tee under a jacket can do wonders. Don't shy away from accessories either. A statement watch or a cool hat can elevate your look. And remember, mixing patterns is not a crime. Stripes with checks can work if you do it right, but the key is to personalize these tips. Make them yours. With these styling tips, you are on your way to achieving a model-like style. Styling like a model is not just about the clothes, but also about the attitude. Remember, confidence and personal style are key. Dare to experiment and discover what suits you best. Thank you for watching Prestige Style Hub. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks.